How do I budget for major HVAC repairs? A practical budget includes an inspection, repair costs, possible replacement costs, emergency savings, and a clear spending limit. Start by having a licensed heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician inspect the system and explain what failed. Ask for a written estimate that separates labor, parts, permits, disposal fees, and taxes. Compare at least 2 or 3 estimates, but make sure each contractor is pricing the same work and equipment. For planning, set aside about 10 to 15% beyond the estimate because hidden damage, difficult access, or code updates can increase the final bill. Check the equipment's age, because a repair may not be worthwhile when the system is near the end of its expected life. A useful rule is to compare the repair price with the cost of a new system and consider replacement when repairs approach roughly half of replacement cost, especially if breakdowns keep happening. Ask whether the repair includes a warranty and confirm whether replacement parts are still available. You can also reduce the bill by replacing simple filters yourself, keeping outdoor units clear, and scheduling inspections before extreme hot or cold weather creates emergency prices. One common mistake is budgeting only for the part and forgetting labor, permits, refrigerant, or disposal fees, so request an itemized total before approving work. Another mistake is choosing the cheapest estimate without checking licensing, insurance, reviews, and warranty terms, so compare value and reliability instead of price alone. People also sometimes keep repairing an old system without calculating energy costs, so ask for a repair versus replacement comparison that includes expected operating expenses. Never pay the entire amount up front, and use a written agreement that explains the schedule, payment stages, and exact work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.